Today we will see how Hannah prayed, and after praying she will get a baby boy, and then how she will come back and she will thank God. This is Hannah, and she will not have baby for many years, and then she will pray to God. Then God will give her a baby, and then she'll come back. She will travel and she'll come back to the temple of God, and then she will give the offering, and then she will thank God. So same way we also should come and thank God once we will get what we are praying for. So we'll see that in 1 Samuel 1st chapter 24th verse, where Hannah gives offering to God. She gives a bull and flour and wine as offering to God. And in 1 Samuel 2nd chapter, she will pray and she will praise God, and she will thank God for giving Samuel to her. And then after that, she will dedicate Samuel to service of God with the priest Eli. So like this, Hannah will give her thanks to God. Always she understood that she should thank God. Even Jesus gives thanks to God. We will see that in John chapter 6 verse 11, where before doing the miracle of feeding 5,000 people, Jesus will thank God. So Jesus will take the bread and he will thank God. So the boy will give 5 bread and 2 fish to Jesus. Means that Jesus will thank God and distribute the bread to the people. Then they will see that 5,000 people will be fed. That we will see in John chapter 6 verse 11. So in this story, Jesus is thanking for the bread which he is having in hand, and after that he feeds so many people. He feeds 5,000 people with bread and fish. So how this miracle happened? Jesus prays and thank God. This verse we understand that Jesus gives thanks and divides multiplies the bread and the fish and feeds the 5,000 people. And even in John 11:41, Jesus raises Lazarus from the dead. So before that, Jesus will do a prayer. Even though Jesus is sad that his friend Lazarus is dead, in that sad situation also he will pray and say thank you to God. So that verse you can see in John 11:41. And then in the verse it says, like in John 11:41, in John 11:41 it says that then they took away the stone from the place where the dead man was lying, and Jesus lifted up his eyes and said, Father, I thank you. He thanked God. I thank you that you have heard me. Means I thank you that you heard my prayer. So in John chapter 11 verse 41 also we see that Jesus thanked God. So even in the middle of sadness, Jesus thanked God. In the same way, we are also in the lockdown, but we have to thank God, telling that we have to thank all the things that God has given us. Though there is difficult situation, but we should remember that God has given all the good things for us even in this present time of difficulty. So we should learn to give thanks like Jesus gives thanks to God. So today we have seen that how we have to thank God like Hannah, and how to thank God like Jesus. Okay, and then we have we are going to do a craft, that is a tree. In this you have to cut a paper like a tree like this, okay, and then daily you can add leaves like this, okay. You can add leaves, cut in the paper in the shape of leaf, and you can add leaf, okay. I have put the video in the I have put the photo in the WhatsApp, please see. So this is the way we can write it. We can put the date, and you can write God helped for what. God, you can thank God. I thank God for food. I thank God for health. 2720. So after that you have to put the leaves all around each day, and you color this as brown color, okay.